Today we will be learning a grade 9 segment, which is simultaneous equations. This segment is taught for grade 9 students, simultaneous equations. Okay, so then first of all, we need to get an idea about then what are simultaneous equations. Then 5 plus 2 equals 7 and 5 minus 2 equals 3. You could see this relation. These relations. See here, this relation. How can you realize these relations? I mean, in this way, you know, how can you realize it? So that 5 plus 2 equals 7 and 5 minus 2 equals 3. So this means term y here. Y or the term, um, so which means, you know, here, excuse me. Okay, just I give you that now you can hear me. So anyway, to be remove the term, how do we do this? And here this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. Then how do you simplify this one? Positive term and negative term. I mean, we need to consider this positive term and negative term, which means plus 5 and minus 5. Then these equations can be added. We how to add these equations? Why do we add these equations to be removing the term y? Then why do we remove the term y? Then every time when it comes to simultaneous equations, every time it removes a certain term here. So then when you add these two equations, I mean first equation and the second equation, these equations are added, then x plus y plus x minus y equals 10 plus 7 plus 3. So x plus y, then plus into plus into minus, 7 plus 3 is 10. So plus y and minus y can be cancelled out. So x plus x is 2x, 2x equals 10. Both sides can be divided by 2. Now after that the values are out. So x plus x is 2x. 2x equals 10. Both sides can be divided by 2. Now after that the value of x can be taken as 5. X equals to 5. So we could get the value of y as well here. How do we get the value of y here? So to be taken the value of y here, you could substitute the value of x here in the first equation or in the second equation. So x equals 5. So x plus y equals 7 here. X equals 5. 5 plus y equals 7. So y can be taken that y equals 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Now we take the values of x and y that x equals 5 and y equals 2. Okay, let's do this one. I mean a plus b equals to 10. First equation. A minus b equals 2. How do you do this? The same thing can be done to be taken the values of a and b here. You have to observe here, then plus b and minus b can be removed because the reason, when it is added a positive term and a negative term, the answer is equals to 0. Just, in this way, to be taken these unknown terms every time, what you have to do, here the equations you could subtract or you could add. So when you add these equations, the first equation and the second equation, then you are able to remove the term b here. Okay, so a plus b plus a minus b equals to 10 plus 2. So a plus b, then plus into plus into minus minus. 10 plus 2 is 12. So now this b and plus b and minus b can be simplified. So a plus c is 2a. 2a equals to 12. 2a equals to 12. Now both sides can be divided by 2. So a equals to 6. We have taken the value of a here that 6. A here that 6. Then b can be taken here that you could substitute a in the first equation or in the second equation. I'll substitute the taken value of a in the first equation. So a plus b equals to 10 here. 6 plus b equals to 10 here. B equals to 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. So a equals 6 and b equals 4 here. Okay, so this is the basic idea of simultaneous equations met in this way. Anyway, how can you do this type of one? Then x minus y equals to 5. X minus y equals to 5. Then then 2x minus y equals to 10. Okay, 10, yes. X minus y equals 5. 2x minus y equals to 10. So how do you get the value of y here? Here minus 5, here minus 5. Previously, then if it is plus and minus, then what did we do? The equations were added. Here minus 5, minus 5. How can you do this? Minus 5, minus 5. First equation, the second equation. Then you could subtract the equations to be, if it is negative and negative, you how to subtract the equations. So to be removed the term y here. Then x minus y minus 2x minus y equals to 5 minus 10. So remove the bracket here 1, x minus 5, minus and plus minus. Then here the other one, minus 5 into minus is plus. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Plus 5 and minus 5 can be cancelled out. X minus 2x, x minus 2x means, 1 minus 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1x minus 2x is minus 1x. Minus 1x equals to minus 5. How can I simplify right now? both sides you would divide by minus. So minus over minus plus. Xp can get the value of xp I am going to get as 5. Okay, this taken value of x you would substitute. Taken value of x you would substitute in the first equation or the second equation. Yes, that's up to you. X equals 5. X equals 5. We could substitute in the first equation. Okay. X minus y equals to minus x minus y equals to 5. X equals 5. 5 minus y equals to 5. So y minus 5 means minus 1 by. Then 5 minus 5. Then plus 5 becomes minus 5. So minus 1 y equals to 0. So divided by minus 1. So y equals to 0. So here we taken the values of x, that 5, and y equals 0. So what you have to do here, what should you know to be taken the values of x and y here of unknown terms of simultaneous equations. What should you do? You have to and or you have to subtract the simultaneous equations. Okay, you have to and or you have to subtract the simultaneous equations. It depends on the simultaneous equations, which means if negative and negative, you have to do, you need to subtract the simultaneous equations. If positive and positive, then just you have to subtract the simultaneous equations. So if it is right, so here I am unable to write that negative and negative. So if positive and positive, you could subtract. If negative and negative, you have to subtract the simultaneous equations. If positive and negative, what you have to do, simultaneous equations can be added. Negative and positive, if the negative and positive values are met in the term that you are going to remove in the simultaneous equations, then the equations can be added. So this is the basic idea of simultaneous equations of grade 9. What you want to do to become an expert. So I have been mentioning you this idea. So you have to do, you have to practice, you have to do again and again these equations, the other sums as well to become an expert in maths. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's meet in the near future. Do the sums met in your textbook. Okay.